Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today we're making a quick and delicious buffalo chicken pizza. We'll make our buffalo chicken pizza sauce from scratch and using some leftover ingredients, pull this meal together in no time. This is the kind of recipe that you'll come back to over and over again. So, without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. Let's start by making our delicious buffalo chicken sauce. Place 1 stick of butter to a medium saucepan on low heat. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar to the pot. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now, it wouldn't be a buffalo chicken sauce without some Frank's Red Hot. Add a 1/2 cup to the pot. Let your pot simmer on medium heat and mix to combine. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of water and add it to the pot. Continue to stir until it's completely combined. Then go ahead and add your sauce to cooked chicken. Completely coat the chicken, getting all that delicious sauce in every nook and cranny. Go ahead and preheat your oven to the highest setting. I'll be using a pizza stone. Dust your surface with some flour and roll out your dough. For a quick and easy pizza dough recipe, check out my bread playlist. Next, add your delicious buffalo sauce to your pizza. This will be your base. Top with shredded mozzarella or your favorite pizza cheese blend. Next, go ahead and add your buffalo chicken. Top with a little more cheese if you like. Carefully place your pizza in your oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Look how delicious that looks. This pizza will be a hit for sure in your household. It's super tangy, full of flavor, it's so robust and satisfying. If you like what you see, give this video a big thumbs up. Top with fresh green onions. Go ahead and drizzle your pizza with a little ranch dressing. And just like that, you've made a delicious buffalo chicken pizza. Top with crumbled blue cheese or feta if you like. Now, before you take a bite, can you do me a big favor? In order to continue to provide delicious recipes like these, it would really help our channel out if you subscribe and hit the bell notification. I truly believe that making meals like these at home really deepen the family connection. As a thank you in advance for watching, I've included a recipe card for you right here. I'd love to personally welcome you to the Greenhouse family, so go ahead and type pizza in the comments. Take care of yourself, precious one, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.